Hey, this is Sachin. As you know that I write poetry. So again I have come front of you today with a poem whose name is The Ocean of Knowledge. The Ocean of Knowledge. First of all, I want to tell you what is the meaning of this sentence. If you don't know what is the meaning of this sentence, so don't be get on hard yourself, because today I am going to tell you what is the meaning of this sentence, the ocean of knowledge. Perhaps you would listen in Bhagavad Gita. Sri Krishna says to Arjuna, api chedasi papebhyah sarvebhyah papkritam sarvam gyan plavena vah vrijnam santarisyasi. If you are more sinful than all the sinners, if you are more sinful than all the sinners, then you can get rid of by the knowledge. Now you can understand that knowledge is everything. If we don't have knowledge, we are nothing. So this poem will tell you what is importance of knowledge in our life. So please listen carefully. Let me start. Please listen carefully. You will be recalled for a long age. You will be recalled for a long age if you have the ocean of knowledge. Carefully. You will be recalled for a long age if you have the ocean of knowledge. Knowledge means no fear. Knowledge means bold. Knowledge means no wandering. Knowledge means hold. If darkness rules on your mind, so you have eyes but you are blind. So you have eyes but you are blind. Knowledge is the way for humans to become God. Knowledge is the way for humans to become God. It gives result always great, not ever odd. You will be called a great sage. You will be called a great sage if you have the ocean of knowledge. We don't know that we forever live in confusion. We don't know that we forever live in confusion, but we don't know ever that everything is delusion. Everyone is on the mission of this stage. Everyone is on the mission of this stage. If you know it, you have the ocean of knowledge. If you know it, if you have the ocean of knowledge. Now you can understand what is the meaning of this poem. So thanks for listening to this. See you again. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.